The planets. What is going on in our universe? The universe. What does the sky look like when you go outside at night? What started this all? The Big Bang. The Big Bang was the very beginning of our universe. Scientists say that it happened 14 billion years ago. Stars formed immediately after the Big Bang. Time, space, and matter all begun when this tiny bubble of the universe exploded. It was hotter than anyone can imagine, and the universe grew from smaller than an atom to an entire galaxy, and it continues to expand today. There are 8 planets in our galaxy, the Milky Way: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Mercury. There is no air or oxygen on Mercury. There is no water on Mercury. Mercury has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind or weather. Mercury is very hot because it is the closest planet to the sun. Venus. Venus is the brightest planet in the galaxy. A year on Venus is 262 days because it only takes 262 days to orbit around the sun. How many days does it take us to orbit around the sun? How long is a year for us? 365 days. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Earth. This is a planet we live on. Our planet is the only planet known to have oxygen and water on it currently. Based off of what we know, we are the only planet currently with living things. We are the 3rd planet from the sun, and we're the 5th largest planet out of 8. Mars, which is also called the red planet. A year on Mars might be almost twice as long as a year on Earth. Mars has seasons just like Earth, but the seasons are much longer because Mars is not as close to the sun as the Earth. Mars is so similar to Earth that it is surprising we have not found life there yet. Jupiter. Jupiter is the giant of the solar system. It is the 5th planet away from the sun, and Jupiter is the stormiest planet in the solar system. Jupiter can be seen without a telescope. Saturn. Saturn has rings that are composed of ice. Saturn is the last planet that we can be seen without a telescope. Saturn is named after a Roman god. Saturn is the 2nd largest planet, first being Jupiter. Notice the rings. Uranus. Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. Uranus cannot be seen without a telescope. Although Uranus is the smallest of the 4 giants, it is much bigger than the Earth. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun, 4 times the size of the Earth. Neptune has many storms, and their freezing cold air and storms that blow faster than any hurricane on Earth make it the windiest planet. It suffers from very violent weather. These are all the planets that make up our entire solar system. Now you know what is up in the sky. Go observe and maybe you'll be able to see Jupiter. Happy exploring!